Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about: the Fisher-Price Baby Portable Baby and Toddler Dining Chair. Also known as the Healthy Care Deluxe Booster Seat. If you're in the market for the best booster seat, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and explore what makes this booster seat stand out from the rest. First and foremost, this booster seat is incredibly portable. It's designed for parents on the go, making it perfect for travel, dining out, or visiting family and friends. The folding frame and over-the-shoulder carry strap ensure that you can take it with you wherever you need to go. Safety is paramount, especially when it comes to our little ones. This booster seat features 3 height adjustments and an adjustable 3-point restraint to grow along with your baby. It's suitable for infants to toddlers, and you can even remove the back for older toddlers. We all know how messy mealtime can be. What sets this booster seat apart is its easy clean design. There are no crevices to trap crumbs, and the seat is dishwasher safe. The included feeding tray comes with a snap-on lid and a built-in cup holder, making feeding and cleanup a breeze. One of the great things about this booster seat is its versatility. It securely straps to most dining and kitchen chairs, so your baby can join you at the table during family meals. In conclusion, the Fisher-Price Baby Portable Baby and Toddler Dining Chair, Healthy Care Deluxe Booster Seat, is a game-changer for parents. It combines portability, safety, ease of cleaning, and versatility, making it the best choice for families on the move. Whether you're dining in, dining out, or traveling, this booster seat has got you covered. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make mealtime more enjoyable and stress-free for both you and your baby. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review. If you have any questions or would like to share your own experience with this booster seat, feel free to leave a comment below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next review. Happy parenting!